Hello and welcome. I have a new box to my channel. So before I get into all that, I just want to welcome you. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos. And if you like this video or don't like this video, but just give me a thumbs up if you just like me. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. So I have this new subscription box to my channel. It comes in this plain box, and it is my Inspo Box. But I went to open it just to see if it had another box inside to take out, but no, it's just the items are in here. So it's just a plain box. But let's get into it. And the price will be going across the bottom there. And as I said, it's got my Inspo box and a bunch of goodies in there. But the outside is plain. So let's see what's in here. And this is a beauty subscription box. And it's got welcome to my Inspo box. Thank you for subscribing. And just item information in very small print. And the first thing is in here is a Kayla hair conditioning masks. And I am a maskaholic, and we get hair masks, you know, in jars all the time. But I love a good hair mask where you can actually put it in something. So this is a really nice hair mask. So I am looking forward to trying that. So that's worth it. And not only did they give us one, they gave us three. Are they all the same? Oh no, this one's argan oil and flower extract infused. Oh. They're all the same. Yeah, because this one's argan oil and flower extract, and this one. So we got 3 hair masks. So that's pretty good for a box. So liking that already. Then we have an oval cushion brush. I'll take it out of the packaging. Wow, this is a nice brush. So you can't be mad at that. Oh my God, there's so much stuff in this box. Then a smoke balm with foil. And let me get my glasses because I'm not sure. I don't see a sheet in here. And this is like the second new box I received that doesn't have a sheet. So I don't know what's up with that. And this, oh, here it is. It's on the back. So, is it for eyebrows? Yeah, this is for your eyes because they've got some nice eye looks on there. And, oh yeah. And it's got a little mirror. Wow. So it's a nice little palette. Can you see the colors? Those are very pretty. And it kind of shows you how to do the looks with them. So I definitely like that one. Okay then. And now we have a cool stick. And look at the size of that. I wonder if this goes under your eyes. It's kind of hard to read it because of the way the writing is. And I don't think that let me just look. I don't think it's on the card. It's not on the card what's in the box. But it says cooling stick, so I'm just wondering if you put that under your eyes, and that's a nice size. And then we got a glossy lamination liquid lipstick, Suma, and that's the color. I'll take it out. It might be a little too bright for me as I terrorize the box. Oh, maybe not. That's a pretty color. I do like that. Oh, this is kind of a fun box. And it looks like it's jewelry, but it's very light. Kind of smelled like incense. Wow. So it's a necklace. It's not something that I normally would wear. I'm trying to hold the stone. It's a very pretty stone, but you know, you might be able to get away with it just for casual wear. So that is pretty, but it's got like, I smell like incense. That is pretty. Maybe meant for like a younger type person. And then, ooh, I think, is this a robe? Got fun colors. I'm not sure if it's a robe or a towel. But I just thought, I ordered a couple new boxes. I think they came with like a discount code. My scissors, that I would just try something new. You know, try to get away from makeup and just plain, you know, clothing for a while. Let me know what you think of this box. If it's something that you'd want to try. I think it must be a towel. Maybe it's a round towel. Oh, that's a round towel. What do you think? Is it a donut? It looks like a giant donut, but because we do go to the ocean a lot and we're on the boat, but it looks like a giant donut. How cute is that? So we got one, and then we got the 3 masks. I believe this is like a cooling thing for your face, and the lipsticks and the eyeshadows, the brush. That's all we got. Oh, and this really cute necklace. And so for that price, it was just fun to try. So I do have to, they sent me an email, you know, rate the box, and I think I might have ordered their next month box. So let me know what you thought of this box. I thought it was just kind of fun, something new. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.